consumers of Apple devices, Safari must be a familiar thing. It is a browser like Google, but developed by Apple itself. In the Internet world, it is common for people to use Safari to find questions and answers. But is it possible that the Safari will keep crashing? Of course, it is. And this is now perplexing iPad users. They say the Safari app can't work well and often crashes. They are wondering that if there is a quick way to get the issue fixed. Well, if you are watching the tutorial, you are in the right place. The tutorial aims to help you resolve the iPad Safari keeps crashing issue. To fix the Safari crashing issue, the first yet usual thing you can do is to force quit the Safari app on your iPad. This action will not cause bad results to the app. To do this, you need to open the app switcher on the iPad screen at first. In most cases, a simple close of the app may not fix the iPad Safari keeps crashing error. If this is true for you, do not worry, and there are other solutions. In this part, you can learn how to erase Safari history to fix the issue. Some settings about Safari will be an obstacle to the sound operation. Trying closing the Safari tabs is also proper. To close all tabs, open the Safari app on the iPad. Second, tap the two square icons on the Safari interface. Last, choose Close All Tabs. A hard restart of your iPad is also a well-known way to fix iPad or app glitches. If you decide to force restart the device, do not worry that your iPad data will be erased. As for how to force restart iPad, visit the following steps. For iPad with Face ID, you should quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. Next, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo occurs. Last, wait for the iPad to restart by itself. For iPad with Home button, press and hold the power and the home buttons together until the Apple logo appears. In this part, we are going to introduce a more advanced way. That is to say, using iOS system recovery software always works. If you think the Safari crashing on iPad issue is severe, you need such a tool. Both iOS bugs or app crashing errors can be solved by this kind of tool. Here, TunesKit iOS System Recovery is a reliable option. TunesKit iOS System Recovery, a desktop program, is a toolkit for repairing over 150 iOS-related issues, like Spotify crashing, iPad boot loop, screen blurry, etc. With a few steps and no data loss, you can fix the Safari keeps crashing on iPad. In addition, you can also use the program to enter/exit recovery mode with one click or downgrade iOS. Almost all Apple devices including iPhone, iPad, iPod and Apple TV are the target of repair. Turning off the Safari suggestions is also feasible. If you want to take this measure, just go to Settings, Safari Suggestions. Turn off the toggle beside the options to turn it gray. After completion, this should fix the iPad Safari keeps crashing issue. JavaScript is a programming language. And if it is not written well, it may make trouble. So you can try to disable the option. Go to Settings, Safari, Advanced, JavaScript. After this, the Safari keeps crashing on iPad issue should be resolved. Normally, iCloud is able to store all your Safari data if you make the sync. Sometimes, this may be a factor in the crashing issue. To do this, please follow the steps to be described. But you should know that if you turn off the sync, the iCloud will not back up the Safari data.